Hey, welcome back to the next video of this series, React-Chatbot-Kit library. So if you are new to this series, so I'll recommend you to check out this playlist. So here we can see that npm install React-Chatbot-Kit. So we are going to copy this to install this library. So here you can see that I created this project, and I know that you are smart and you can do it by own. Alright, so let's move towards the docs, and we have to import React Chatbot Kit library and the CSS files in the app.js file. So do it like this. Till now we have done this process. The first is npm install and the second to import these dependencies. Now let's see, create the necessary files. So these are the necessary files. So now here I'll create a folder named so first I removed this code here. So it's now here we can see that import create chatbot, and inside the config file put the following content. So we have to copy this and we'll paste here in config.js. So here we have to paste and then save it. Now action provider.js, inside action provider.js we have to paste this code. So copy this and we'll paste here, and the last is in message parser we have to paste this code. Don't worry, don't think about this code, do it only. So after that we can see that initialize the chatbot. So once we have created these files, we have to move to the app.js to initialize the chatbot. So we'll copy here this one only because we imported earlier, so we need to only initialize the chatbot. So we are going to copy this and we'll paste inside this div. So as we can see that there we didn't import the files which are action provider.js, config.js, and the last message parser.js. So we have to import these files here. So let's get started by doing this. So import config. So we are going to run this on localhost. So let's get started with npm run start. Alright guys, we can see that the chatbot is created now. So we have to add the css here. So let's do some css work here. In app.css we are going to add the custom css. So the first is to add the custom margin and then padding 0, then box sizing, content border box. So dot app display flex and justify content center, align item center, and also we have to do height of 100 vw and width of 100 vw. Also let's add the background which is sky blue. I think, oh actually we didn't import this. So import app .css. So we can see that this is now in center. So what we have to do is, so now let's see the config.js file. So here we can see that configure your bot. We can see here bot name. So we have to add the bot name. So let's copy this and we'll paste here. In this we have to add, now let's add the bot name which is Ace Drive Explorer. So now let's see here. Alright, we can see that the conversation is with Ace Drive Explorer. As a result, you can see that we can customize this chatbot using this config.js file, and this is very necessary. In future, the widgets we are going to add here, the all things are going to be here in this config.js file. So we can see here the initial message is welcome to Ride Advisor. So we are going to rename this as welcome to Ride Advisor. Welcome to Ride Age Advisor. So welcome to Ride Age Advisor. So in the next video we are going to customize this chatbot and we'll add CSS here. And if you like this series, then hit the subscribe button and like this video and share with your friends.